Pau Torres is a Spanish professional footballer. He was born on January 16, 1997 in Villarreal, Spain. Torres got his first call-up for the Spain national team by Robert Moreno on 4 October 2019 for UEFA Euro 2020 qualifiers against Norway and Sweden. Torres was included in Luis Enrique's 24-man squad for the finals. He was also selected for the Olympic team that won a silver medal at the Summer Olympics in Tokyo. In October 2019, he was rewarded with a contract extension until 2024 and the same month scored his first goal in the Spanish top tier, opening a 2-1 loss at CA Osasuna. On 6 August 2018, Torres was loaned to Málaga CF for 1 year. He only missed 4 Segunda Division games during his spell as the side reached the promotion playoffs and subsequently was recalled by his parent club. Torres scored his first senior goal on 8 October 2016, the first in a 2-2 home draw with CF Badalona. His maiden competitive appearance for the first team took place on 20 December when he came on as a late substitute for Victor Ruiz in the 1-1 home draw against CD Toledo in the round of 32 of Copa del Rey. By doing so, he became the first player born in Villarreal to debut for the club in 13 years. Torres played his first match in La Liga on 26 November 2017, replacing fellow youth graduate Manu Trigueros late into a 2-3 home loss to Sevilla FC. He made his UEFA Europa League debut 10 days later, starting and finishing the 0-1 group stage defeat against Maccabi Tel Aviv FC, also at the Stadio de la Ceramica.